So, okay, we're going to do the right thing. We in the industry are going to be part of the energy solution. We're going to have to do something that this industry really hasn't done since our infant days 100 or so years ago. And that is to bring successfully to market a range of new propulsion technologies, and this time to a much more demanding consumer base. At GM, we're making massive investments now and have been for a number of years in technologies that make our vehicles more energy and environmentally friendly. Gas-friendly to gas-free, as we say at Chevy. Flex fuel vehicles, hybrid vehicles, electrically driven vehicles like the Chevy Volt or our Chevy Equinox fuel cells. And other OEMs are doing similar kinds of things. As I look at it today, I see two areas in particular where we, dealers and OEMs, need to work together right now to ensure that we achieve the future that I know is possible. First, we need to work together very closely to ensure that we have the right regulatory environment to allow us to focus all our efforts on reducing the growth in U.S. oil consumption, U.S. oil imports, and greenhouse gas emissions. Second thing we need to work together on to ensure that we achieve the full promise of our efforts to reduce oil consumption, oil imports, and greenhouse gas emissions is to foster the creation of the infrastructure required to implement the energy solutions that we will bring to market. Simply put, to win with technologies that are now within our grasp, we as a nation need to provide the infrastructure necessary to make them actually work. And today, we need ethanol pumps to support the millions of flex fuel vehicles that Americans are already driving right now. Seems intuitive, a real no-brainer. And yet we see, for example, how hard it can be to make this happen, even when the solutions are relatively easy. But we're doing a lousy job as a nation in making this E85 available to our customers. In fact, ethanol fueling stations today represent less than 1% of the 170,000 gas stations in the U.S., despite our best efforts to grow this number.